Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You have admin access and the revoked certificate serial number. Start by exporting the server's current certificate store and CRL. Explain why. You need a recoverable snapshot before making changes because revocation fixes can break connections. Once done, verify OXP and CRL endpoints are reachable from the server and client. Make sure time and time zone are correct on both sides. Certificate validation fails when clocks differ. Now stop the VPN daemon briefly to avoid new connections during repair. Generate and sign a replacement certificate using the original CA or perform a clean renewal if the CA is compromised. This maintains trust chains. Then update the CRL by adding the revoked serial or publish a fresh CRL and confirm OXP responder reflects the change. Restart CRL distribution, HTTP/LDAP, and set correct caching headers so clients fetch updates. Install the new server certificate and chain, ensuring private keys are secure. Once installed, restart the VPN service to apply the certificate swap. Now validate connectivity. From a client, run a verbose connection attempt and use OpenSL client to inspect the presented cert and chain. Explain why. This shows whether the server serves the new certificate and whether the client rejects due to CRL/OXP or chain issues. If clients still see revoked status, clear local CRL/OXP caches or reboot the client and double-check CA trust store and time synchronization. If problems continue, reissue the cert after auditing CA keys and repeat the CRL publication step.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.